Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Home Cocktails, to our rum shop. Once again, I'll be covering rum recipes for the next couple of weeks, and this one is beautiful. It's delicious. You're gonna love it. If you have a sweet tooth, it's the perfect cocktail. It's actually more like dessert. So this is a Bush Wacker, but this is my variation on a Bush Wacker. I have a sweet tooth, so I thought of something else that I can add or substitute. So it's all done in the blender, and the ingredients, it's not that many. You will need 4 ounces of creme de cacao, creme de coco, actually, cream of coconut. You can find this in any supermarket. It's not coconut milk, it's cream of coconut. So make sure that you get that. So we're gonna do 4 ounces of cream of coconut. We're gonna add 2 ounces of Kahlua and 1 ounce of dark rum. You can choose whatever dark rum you like. All in a blender. Then you're gonna add 4 ounces of milk. And the other ingredient would be like 1 ounce of creme de cacao liqueur. I don't have any creme de cacao at home right now, so I decided to add dark chocolate ice cream. That would be good. So I already have the dark chocolate ice cream in here, and I am just going to blend. Okay, that's it. How simple was that? So it's a couple of ingredients. If you don't have certain things, you can substitute. Dark chocolate, I'm substituting for creme de cacao. So here we go. I have 3 straws. Like to do things a little bit different. A little bit extra. You pour it into a nice tall glass. And this is so good. Great substitute. So remember, you can even use vanilla ice cream, but since they said creme de cacao, I found dark chocolate ice cream from Jenis. Jenis makes really good ice creams, and this is their darkest chocolate ice cream, so it's a good substitute. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much for following me, and don't forget to follow my channel and suggest it to other people. And thank you for visiting at Simple Home Cocktails. Thank you. Bye-bye.